Now, after applying this kind of formatting, proper, trim, and clean, you can again do a remove duplicate and remove unnecessary duplicate values. But the data you can see there are no duplicate in first place itself. So I think that will not really work over here. I'll show you that part. Cool? Because there are no duplicates value. Now the data is truly clean. This step is not optional in real jobs. Before any dashboard, any report, any analysis, data must be clean because garbage data in, garbage insights out. Professional analysts spend a huge portion of their time just ensuring data is in consistent manner. Now the data is clean and structured. But what if your data comes completely unstructured in one single column? Now imagine this. You don't get a clean Excel data. You get data exported from system and everything is packed into a single column like this. You see on the screen, right? No structure, no columns, no usability. And your manager says, give me report in next 5 minutes. This is where most beginners panic. Data analysts stay calm because they know exactly what to do. Okay. Let's simulate the real world simulation. Okay. Now here, this is the raw data set I have available, right? Which is this many entries. And this data is not really usable. Even if I add Alt D F F over here, okay, to add the filters, you see only this many entries I can see. Rest of the others are I'm not able to see that in the filter section. Full filter, analyze, and build pivot tables will not really work over here because everything is stuck in one specific column. You see, in one specific column, it's been stuck over here. Now, what we can do? What is a workaround for that? Now, watch this carefully. Okay, I'll select this column from top, right? I'll go to the data option. Suppose your cursor is here in home ribbon tab. Simply go here in data. Okay, there is an option called text to column. Simply click on this option. Now choose delimited, which is this particular type, right? Now click on this option called next. And here, what you can select comma. Okay, preview, you can see data preview here. If in case there is a pipe or maybe any other dashes, right, you can just simply add the, you know, other delimited type. Okay, right now we have only one delimited, which is comma. You can see here, right, comma. That's what we have selected, this comma over here, right? Now I will click on this option called finish. And the moment I press that, the Excel has split the entire data into a splitted columns, right? If I double click over here, you will see this important part. So use the delimiter, in this case, a comma, to identify where to break the data. This works for CSV files, system exports, log files, and this is one of the most important common tool, real world task we use in here where beginners struggle. What if data is separated by spaces or pipe, okay, or maybe the tabs? Text to column can handle all of it. You just need to select correct delimiter, which we have shown you already, right? Click here, text to column. Let's go here. And here you just have to simply add the appropriate delimiter as per your business need. Okay. In real jobs, finance teams import CSV files. Marketing teams import lead data. Analysts import raw system exports. This is always the first step, turning raw into a structured data.